Welcome to Geometry Honors with Mrs. Moss. Like in this class, you have to have your 3-ring binder with tabs, a scientific calculator, a pencil, red pen, blue pen, and a charged Chromebook. All of those materials are required each day, and if you don't have one of them, you will lose your point for the day. So those materials are important so that we can be efficient in the class. You can always go to the calendar in Canvas to know exactly what is happening in class. That would be under lesson plan. What is due? That's under due, which is the homework. And tests and quizzes are always listed ahead of time, posted on Canvas in the calendar. Now, if you click on the lesson plan, you will see the learning goals for that day, and you will see a detailed list of what we're doing in class under the lesson plan. So when we have notes, I'll also post the PDF to the solutions for those notes, and I'll also have a YouTube video for those notes. So if you are missing class, you can just watch what you would have seen in class or observed. If you missed out on something in class, you got distracted, you can always watch my YouTube video notes to make sure you've caught everything for each set of notes. And all of the worksheets, the reviews that we're doing in class and for homework, there are PDF solutions for that. That is all listed in the lesson plan. The grade for your quarter is 20% for assignments. Now, that should always be 100%, and 80% for assessments. Now, the assignments, you're going to finish the day's packet, and you need to make sure you have your materials every day. And you should get perfects on the packet because you're going to be grading your work before class with a red pen. It doesn't matter how many red pen marks you have, as long as you have completed the assignment with pencil marks and red pen, you should get 100% correct. If you copy off my solutions without a red pen, that is considered cheating, and I will write a discipline referral for that. So make sure whenever you're looking at my solutions online that you have a red pen to make those marks. The red pen marks let you and me know what you need to work on before you take a test or quiz. Before you take a test, all homework must be done. And then there is one retake per quarter, and that must be taken before the next test or quiz. Now, the assessment category is 80% of your grade, and that includes quizzes, tests, and the quarter projects. There will be one project per quarter, and students may have unlimited help on the project. So you should get a perfect or near perfect on those quarter projects, and that should really help with your assessment grade. If you have any questions or concerns on the quarter project, ask people around you, ask me, ask your parents, ask anyone you want. Again, quarter projects, unlimited help. So assignments, you should get 100% on, and the quarter projects, you should get 100% on. If you need help, come to resource, come get help from me after school, work with a volunteer peer tutor, or you can always get an outside tutor. I encourage students to help each other out, and I really encourage students to be a volunteer peer tutor, whether it's for geometry or for other classes. So please see me, email me if you have any interest in being a volunteer peer tutor. My course syllabus is also listed in the Canvas. So if you go to Canvas, go to modules. The beginning part of modules has all your geometry forms, your syllabus, extra credit opportunities, quarter projects. And for each chapter, there is a learning goals list. There is a set of reviews with solutions. And then all the quizzes and tests are listed as well. After that, geometry forms category in the modules, every day is listed. So in every day, there's a lesson plan and what's due. There's a lesson plan and what's due. I hope this was helpful for you, and I look forward to working with you all.